free. Quechuru and Musturu, los hermanis de Garamán Madundun. Quechuru es muy sabro con su delicia con las papas fritas. Musturu le encanta el hot dog y llénalo todo. Quechuru and Musturu are the brothers of Garman Madundun. Quechuru is super wise and totally obsessed with French fries. Musturu loves hot dogs and always stuffs them to the brim. Together, Quechuru and Musturu are inseparable, like true brothers. Elefantini, strawberrini! Nei confini di un piano etereo, dove la flora feconda si intrecciava con il bestiario fantastico, apparve Strawberrini. Qui fa bla bla bla. Little strawberry elephants, unique creatures born in the realms of an ethereal plane, where lush flora intertwines with a fantastical bestiary. In this world emerged Strawberrini, a singular colossus with red skin and adorned with a crown of emerald leaves. His life was devoted to protecting the legendary valley of delicate